Not judging you, not judging you, but I feel I waste my time, feel like you never.
Hey guys, it's Kenzie, and today my video is going to be over how I do my edges because I like watching people do their edges because it's satisfying and it looks really cool. So that's what I'm gonna do. That thing I did with my voice, that was because I was at a football game yesterday. You know, I was supporting my friends, and you know, my voice is just a little bit gone, and it probably sounds the same to you, but it doesn't really sound the same. You know, to me, I know it doesn't sound the same. It's like a bit crackier, foggier, if that's a word. I'm gonna slick my hair back and I'm going to do my edges, and yeah. Let me go get this mirror. It did fall. Oh, my tournament thing, it fell. The tournament thing didn't break, but like the nameplate, you know what I mean? Like the nameplate, bro. And I got it this year. All my other ones didn't do that. I don't remember it being like this. Was I short of it? Was I sitting on something? I don't know. I don't remember the lot. Oh, I used that mirror. Wow, I really just got my whole upper mirror. Oh well, this will be good too. Okay, so I'm looking into this mirror right here, just in case you're trying to figure out what I'm looking into. I have to look up now instead of out because I wasn't thinking. I have a mirror right here, but I went and grabbed the mirror off my desk, like. But yeah, so I don't use like a leave-in type thing anymore because I made another leave-in, but with a different conditioner, and that one doesn't mix well with the products I use. It makes it like clumpy and stuff. No, I'm not using that. But this is just water. I have, you know, my favorite oil besides my other oil, but I don't have stuff to make it right now, so this is my favorite oil. Mustard seed oil, you know, homemade DIY. I have some Murray's Edge wax. Bada bing, bada boom. I don't know if you can see that, but I mean, I know if you can see it, but I don't think everyone can see it. Oh well. And then I have some Eco Style Crystal Ice gel. You know, I love a gel. Then I have a brush. This brush looks messed up. It is messed up, but I didn't think it looked that messed up. And then I have a toothbrush for the edges. So now let's get started. Yes, I know I put a lot of water on my hair. I know. But I want it very, not wet, but very damp. Dang, if I could get my hair like that on both sides, that would be cute. But I guess it'll never happen. So, I mean, I say that, I'll find a way. I'll find a way. But it won't have this. You know, that looks funny. Another reason I'm adding so much gel is, one, I like gel, as we know. Second, I have to go to practice, and then I have to go to a wedding. I really don't want to do my I really don't want to redo my hair after I go to practice, so I want it to be as slick as possible, and I want it to be the only thing I have to redo are my edges, hopefully. So I want to make sure it's as slick as possible, and hopefully after the wedding we go to the fair, because the last day for the fair is tomorrow and I refuse to not go. We always usually go on Sundays anyways. Like, we usually always go on the last day, but I like staying there late, and my parents know that. Like, my parents know that, my brother knows that. You know, he likes going to the fair late too. Anyways, back to this. So as you can see, when I was doing this on the school day, because you know you gotta do your hair. Sorry for all my sniffles. I have the sniffles evidently. You know, when you have, like, you trying to do a hairstyle or something for the next day, I'm not gonna wake up at 7 and, you know, the hairstyle not working, you feel me? So I was doing my hair, you know, the night of to make sure it comes out right, so then I can just put my little scarf on, wake up, slick a few things back, do my edges, you know, all that. And it just wasn't working out. Like, I usually never comb my hair before I put in ponytails, but that was bad, you know, because then when I'm trying to wash my hair and I have all these tangles from it being in a ponytail, so, you know, I combed it all the way through and stuff, and that was good. But then I was trying to do it and it just kept being like it was really ugly, and I was like, what? But I just had to shift it up higher instead of keeping it lower and trying to do it because it wasn't working. But I don't really know where I was going with that. I don't really remember, but I'm just saying like, it wasn't working when I was doing this gel. It wasn't working at first when I was doing this, and I was getting irritated. I was like, maybe I shouldn't comb it. And yeah, I'm gonna say again, I know it's a lot of gel, but I usually don't touch my hair for a while. So, you know. Because if you add a lot of gel to something, but you don't touch your hair, like say you add a whole bunch of gel when you do your hair on Sunday, and you don't touch your hair for the rest of the week, only thing you put on there is water and oil, then it's not really gonna matter. Getting up close and personal. I mean, as you can see now, I'm starting to do my edges, so just watch.
Cavalier.
Diamonds on my neck, got diamonds on my record. Since 16, I was coming down, riding Lexus. How you gonna clean?
I know I don't have the best edges in the world, so I'm just still showing you how I do my edges. Now we're adding some gel, okay? Adding gel, we're adding gel.
Party, what about my body? You don't want my body. I got like I'm nobody. Don't make me cost that.
So, I want to do the same thing to this side. Yeah, I'm a bit messy. I know. I'm not a bit messy. I am messy, but it's cool. I don't really do like how did I do it last time? I always struggle to do this side, honestly, and I don't really know why. Like, see that side and then see this side. Like, I don't really know why I always struggle to do this side, but I always struggle to do this side. And yes, it does take me a while to get my edges completely the way I want them to look, because it does, and I feel that this side needs a bit more water because it's getting dry. And I don't like that.
I'm in the house all alone. You rather go party. What about my body? You don't want my body. I got like I'm nobody. Don't make me cost that.
There we go. They look molded, like, I guess. No, they don't. just gonna do that side the exact same way. But I'm not the only person that has this problem, I don't think. Where their edges like don't be the same, aren't the same difference, don't be like same thing. Like you see how this side goes this side does that? I don't think proportion matters sometimes as long as you look good. So that's what I'm going for right now, as long as I look good. That's all that matters. Because it's just not, I have days where it works completely well, but in a puff, I always seem to struggle. So I'm gonna make this work the best I can. You know what? They're slick, and I like it. We're going with this look. Okay, let me switch it up one more time on mine. No, I don't like it. I know in these videos, people are supposed to be like, oh snap, confident, because you know they know what they're doing. But I'm gonna be honest with you, I always struggle to do my edges, and I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, I'm struggling right now. I need like that little split part look. Like there's not as much like edge baby hair stuff on this side than there is on this side. Like my hair is more, a lot going on over here than over here. Especially when I have my puffs, like you can see it's kind of like not as much hair on this area when I pull it up, versus this area is like always full. So that's just my problem, in case you want to know. I don't have as much full hair and everything's cool. I'm still gonna look like a baddie, so I don't really care. So now we're gonna take Murray's Edge Wax, you know, gonna overlap that with this, and I don't brush it on there, I just dab it on there. That was weird. Like, can't you see that this side is more like going into the thing versus this side is more swoopy? But I mean, it looks fine. Oh well. I just want to get that out in case, you know, your edges aren't, you know, they weren't like proportional. Well, I don't care. And I don't know why you care either. I feel like this makes my edges a bit softer. Like, it makes it stick on there, but a bit softer. Sometimes you need to be careful though if you're like brushing up against something, because sometimes it will flake up, but not a lot. At the same time, I do sweat a lot. Like, I am a sweater, especially like in weights and stuff. So that's like, you know, a big part of it where it can flake out, you know. Ooh, wrong thing. Oh, so I'm going back in with the gel and putting it on top. I think people use oil before. Wait, I'm not going back in with gel. I'm going back in with oil and putting it on top. And I think people use oil before. Like, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to use oil before, but I don't really care. As you can see, I wing a lot of my stuff. And we're gonna go back in with the brush and just swoop, 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 swoop. Boom. And this middle part right here, I usually just leave that because I'll leave it. You know what? I kind of did my hair. I'm not gonna call it a slick low puff tutorial, but I did my slick low puff in this video. I didn't think I was gonna do it like that, but I did it like that. So, but this was my edges tutorial that I very much wing a lot, as you can see, but they still look good. So if you can wing it and still make it look good, that's all that matters, because life is just a whole bunch of winging it. You know, you don't know what you're doing, but you're gonna figure it out. You just winging it, you know. Ain't no rules. I mean, there's rules to how you do stuff, but you know what I'm saying. Video. Anyways, I hope you liked this video, and I hope you like I said, I was at a football game screaming. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me if you want more videos like this. But that's it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.